Ever wondered how hackers can access your smartphone? In our technologically advanced world, smartphone hacking has become increasingly prevalent, posing a potential danger to our personal and financial data. It's an alarming thought, isn't it? The thought of someone sneaking into your private digital life without your knowledge. But understanding the process of hacking can arm us with the knowledge to better protect our devices. So, let's not stay in the dark any longer. Let's dive into how this hacking process actually works. A hacker's first step involves finding a vulnerable target. Imagine you're strolling through a bustling city, but in this digital realm, every passerby is a potential target. Hackers often use tools and software to scan for devices with weak or outdated security measures. It's like a thief checking for unlocked doors in a neighborhood. Once they've identified a vulnerable device, their next step is to exploit these weaknesses. They do this by sending malicious software or malware that can bypass the phone's security systems. This can be as simple as tricking the user into clicking a deceitful link, or as complex as exploiting a security flaw in the device's operating system. Once inside, they have unauthorized access to the user's personal information. This can range from sensitive bank details to private messages and photos. They can even monitor the user's activity in real time or control the device remotely. Now that we have a basic understanding of how a hacker penetrates a smartphone, it's time to discuss how to prevent these attacks. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to protecting your smartphone. What are the steps to fortify your device, you ask? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require some diligence. First, make your passwords your ally. Go for strong, unique combinations that are difficult to guess. Avoid common words, sequential numbers, or anything that can be linked back to you. Next, keep your device up to date. This doesn't just mean your operating system. Apps too. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. Finally, be alert to the digital bait. Suspicious emails or text messages that ask for personal details or prompt you to click on a link are often traps set by hackers. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. By taking these precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of your smartphone being hacked. In this digital age, securing your smartphone is more important than ever. We've delved into the dark world of hacking, exposing the techniques employed to compromise your device. But we've also illuminated the path to safety, highlighting preventative measures like regular updates, strong passwords, and cautious app downloads. Let's leverage this knowledge to fortify our digital lives. Pass it on, help others bolster their defenses too. Remember, information is power. Stay informed, stay secure.